For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a mortgage broker business can be a lucrative opportunity for individuals who understand real estate finance and are ready to assist borrowers in securing the best mortgage deals. With the availability of free AI tools, it's now possible to reduce startup costs, automate many tasks, and move more efficiently through the launch process. Below is a step-by-step guide that outlines how to start a mortgage broker business using free AI to streamline research, planning, branding, marketing, and operations. Step 1. Learn the mortgage industry and licensing requirements. Before launching your business, it's essential to understand the mortgage lending process, your legal responsibilities, and how brokers operate between borrowers and lenders. In the United States, you'll need to obtain a mortgage broker license, which typically involves pre-licensing education, passing the NMLS exam, and undergoing background checks. Use ChatGPT with this prompt to help summarize your state's licensing requirements. ChatGPT, summarize the mortgage broker licensing requirements in your state, including education, exams, and any registration steps. If your state board has a website, you can also use AI summarization tools like Perplexity.ai to condense government documents and state regulations into digestible steps. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI. Creating a business plan helps structure your goals, financial projections, marketing strategy, and compliance considerations. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can generate a detailed business plan outline tailored to your niche and market. Try this prompt. ChatGPT, create a business plan for a mortgage broker business operating in your city/state, targeting first-time homebuyers and refinancing clients. You can also use Notion AI or Copy.ai for formatting and rewriting content to make it more professional and presentation-ready. Step 3. Choose a legal structure and register your business. Once your business plan is clear, decide on a legal structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. You can use AI tools like Do Not Pay to help understand the legal and tax differences between these options. For guidance, use this prompt with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, what are the pros and cons of starting a mortgage broker business as an LLC versus sole proprietorship in your state? Once you've chosen a structure, register your business name with your state, apply for an EIN through the IRS, and secure your business domain. Step 4. Build your branding and website with AI. AI-powered design tools like Loca for logos and Durable for websites offer free versions to help build a strong brand identity. ChatGPT can help you write web content, service descriptions, and even FAQs. Use this prompt to generate branding elements. ChatGPT, create a brand name, tagline, and mission statement for a mortgage broker business focused on helping self-employed borrowers. For web content, try ChatGPT, write homepage content for a mortgage broker website that serves veterans and first-time homebuyers in Florida. Use Canva's free version to design marketing materials and social media graphics using templates. Step 5. Set up your CRM and communication tools. Customer Relationship Management, CRM, tools help mortgage brokers keep track of leads, clients, and lenders. HubSpot offers a free CRM platform that you can integrate with email and lead capture forms. To automate responses and onboarding emails, use ChatGPT with this prompt. ChatGPT, write a welcome email sequence for new mortgage clients, including messages for document collection, next steps, and pre-approval timelines. Combine this with Gmail and Google Calendar for free scheduling and follow-up workflows. Step 6. Use AI to create your marketing plan. A strategic marketing plan is vital to attract and convert clients. Use ChatGPT to craft a full plan, including SEO, social media strategy, referral campaigns, and local partnerships. Prompt. ChatGPT, write a 90-day marketing plan for a new mortgage broker targeting real estate agents, home buyers, and investors in South Florida. You can use Google Trends and Answer the Public to identify what people are searching regarding mortgage topics. Then, generate blog and video content ideas with this prompt. ChatGPT, give me 10 blog post titles that will attract homebuyers looking to understand mortgage rates and pre-approval. Create video scripts or Instagram captions with the help of ChatGPT and use CapCut, free video editing app, to polish your content. Step 7. Create free educational resources to build trust. Educational content is a powerful lead magnet. Use free AI tools to write ebooks, guides, and mortgage calculators. Tools like Canva, free version, can format your guides into professional PDFs. Use this prompt to begin. ChatGPT, write a short guide titled 5 Mistakes First-Time Homebuyers Make When Choosing a Mortgage, and include a call to action to contact me for a free consultation. You can also create a newsletter using free tools like MailChimp's basic tier and automate monthly emails with AI-generated insights and updates. Step 8. Build referral partnerships with realtors and accountants. Much of a mortgage broker's success comes from strong referral networks. Use ChatGPT to create outreach scripts for contacting real estate agents, financial advisors, and CPAs. Prompt: ChatGPT, write an email introducing my mortgage broker business to a local real estate agent, offering a referral partnership with mutual client benefits. You can also generate LinkedIn posts and bios with AI to support professional networking. Step 9. Stay compliant and use AI for ongoing research. Compliance is crucial in the mortgage industry. Stay current on regulations by using AI to summarize mortgage news and legal updates. You can feed in RSS feeds or URLs into Perplexity or use ChatGPT with pasted content. Prompt: ChatGPT, summarize this mortgage regulation update and explain how it might affect my business in plain English. Also use AI to analyze client feedback and suggest process improvements over time. Step 10. Track performance and optimize using AI analytics. Once your business is running, measure success with tools like Google Analytics, free, for web traffic, and HubSpot for lead tracking. Use AI-powered dashboards or ask ChatGPT to help interpret data. Prompt: ChatGPT, here are the last 30 days of website traffic data from Google Analytics, paste data. Give me insights and suggest how to improve conversions. Combine these insights with marketing data to improve your email open rates, landing page effectiveness, and client onboarding funnel. Conclusion: starting a mortgage broker business has never been more accessible thanks to the power of free AI tools. From licensing research and business planning to branding, marketing, and client communication, artificial intelligence can save you time, reduce costs, and improve efficiency at every stage. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.